Guys, welcome to ET's Indian channel. I've been spending a lot of time in the kitchen recently and we just made these homemade churro bites for the first time and they turned out so good that I want to share the recipe with you, and kids have been asking for them ever since too. So all you need is a cup of water. You will add 2.5 tablespoons of sugar and 2 tablespoons of oil. Just combine them well, and oil is just regular vegetable oil that you use for cooking. As soon as sugar starts to melt, then mix in the water. You will add in 1 cup of flour. I'm using regular whole wheat flour that I use for making rotis and paranthas, but you can use all-purpose flour as well. We will combine all these ingredients so that you have a smooth dough. This way of making the dough is actually really easy. Everything combines easily. Just make sure there are no lumps, and within few minutes you will have your churro dough ready. You can see how smooth it is. Comes together beautifully. We will set it aside. We'll let it cool and we will get the oil ready. Look at that. Really easy way to combine everything. Anyhow, so setting the pan aside, heating some oil in a pan. Oil has to be hot, and while the oil is heating, get your seasoning ready, which is sugar, icing sugar, and some cinnamon. This is like a drizzle on top of churro bites, and it lends a beautiful, amazing flavor and texture to our final dish. Check the oil. If you think it's hot enough, we can start adding in the bites. Now this process is a little tricky. If you have special equipment to do this, great. Otherwise, just use a sandwich bag like we did. You can have small bites, you can have thick bites, you can have round bites. Basically, purpose is to fry the dough, the flour combination that we have made in this hot oil. But make sure that it's thoroughly cooked from inside too. Sometimes you might notice that it's cooked from outside but inside is still raw. So you have to be a little patient. Give it 2 to 3 minutes, and then once they are done, just roll them in this sugar and cinnamon mixture. And you really want to get the best out of your experience by dipping these churro bites in chocolate sauce. So just mix some whipping cream and chocolate chips, make a sauce, dip these bites, and they are absolutely incredible. So go ahead and give it a try.